Well, here we go. The crows are finally showed up again, and I'm able to get some footage of the crow dive bombing the eagle. This happens all the time. Sometimes the eagles will be flying and the crows. Well, the hummingbird came back. Yeah, I can see him from a different angle this time. I'm going to put this on YouTube. Hummingbird perched on leaf. Okay, the crows are attacking the eagle over on the other side. So I'm going to get one more close-up of the hummingbird. Then I'm going to go and get some more footage of the eagle being jumped on by these crows. The crows don't like the eagle. They're always harassing it. Oop. So, he flew over to the other one. That's what he does. He goes back and forth. Okay, I'm going to go back over here to the eagle one more time. Where is he? There he is. Well, the crows decided to leave him alone. He's about 20 times as big as the crows anyway. Oh, here comes a crow now. Maybe he'll dive bomb him again. I'll get some footage of that, baby. Nope, he didn't come into the screen. Okay, there's the eagle. I'm gonna go over one more time to the hummingbird. There's the hummingbird.